Facts with marbles.
Dance.
Science facts with marbles. Hey, hey.
Hey kids, Professor Marbles here, on my way to give you some more science facts. See ya! All planets revolve around the sun. Our solar system, we have the sun, and all the planets orbit around the sun because it is a large source of, not source of gravity, but it's a dense object. The sun. It's dense.
Are you sure about that?
It's the most dense thing in our solar system.
You have any proof of this fact?
No.
And so, this is how I know about this.
Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy one.
Okay, so here's how it works. You imagine the universe like a blanket, okay? And you drop the sun. The sun is like a very dense thing, and it like, you know, it's like a blanket. So it like pulls down. Everything else in the solar system, if you like lay all the planets out and they're like little like spheres or like marbles or whatever, because you drop the sun and it's the most dense, everything is gonna like be drawn to it. So that's why everything in every solar system ever orbits around some sort of a sun. That's a tough one. Science. Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.